Hey everybody, today we're going to make vegan Abruzzo bean soup. We're going to get all of our ingredients ready. We're going to heat up a large soup pot, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to add 2 diced carrots, 2 potatoes diced, and 1 onion, chopped garlic, and a bay leaf. We're going to add sea salt, black pepper, and dry parsley, cumin, coriander, sumac, garlic and onion powder. Stir that a bit, make sure it's all combined, and we're going to grate a 1-inch long piece of ginger and add that to our vegetables. We're going to let that cook a little bit until the potatoes and carrots become a little soft. Then we're going to add 6 to 8 cups of water and bring to a boil. Let the vegetables simmer until they become soft, about 30 minutes. Add a 1/2 cup of nutritional yeast and stir. And we're going to do an assortment of beans, whatever beans you like. We're going to heat those beans through. Once they are heated through, we're going to add some Swiss chard that we've chopped already. Stir that in, and then you serve it. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed, please do. Grazie, amore, luce. Until next time. See you guys later. Bye.